Hi, welcome to In and Around Computer. In this video, we are going to see what are exascale computers and the difference between exascale and the quantum computers. What is an exascale computing? This is a type of high performance supercomputing that can solve 1 quintillion operations per second. Quintillion is nothing but it's a natural number with 18 zeros. So we can perform such operations in a second. So in terms of processing power, this exascale computers are the most powerful machines in the world. Now we can see, we already said it is a type of high performance supercomputer, a supercomputing. That is, we can see what is a supercomputer. It is the super is the ability to interlink multiple processes within one system. So this exascale computing also have it has the ability to interlink multiple processes within one system, so that it can do 1 quintillion operations within a second. So this is the type of supercomputing, and the supercomputing allows it to split up a task and distribute it in parts and then execute the parts of the task concurrently in a method known as parallel processing. So for like this, it achieves, the supercomputers achieve such speed and by means of this parallel processing. So this is exascale computing is also a type of this supercomputing, you can say. And now we can see how does the exascale computing work. As we already said, it works on the parallel processing method, but we can see it in detail. This is a exascale computer is a bunch of smaller networked computers working as one, and each of these smaller computers known as node share access to the rapid data storage and come equipped with their own set of processes. So each small computer will have its own set of processes, data storage, etc. And when a task is given, it's broken up into in smaller pieces that are then distributed among thousands or even millions of processes working concurrently in a process known as parallel computing. So this exascale computing has a bunch of smaller networked computers, and for exascale computing to work, each processor is assigned a specific job to complete. They then communicate with each other through a high-speed interconnected network, ensuring that they all work towards the same goal. So to prevent disruptions, they have built-in fail-safe systems to handle errors and keep running smoothly even if some parts fail. So this is the underlying concept behind the exascale computer. We can say it is a bunch of smaller networked computers working as one. Now we can see where this exascale computing is used. This researchers use exascale computing in everything from nanoscience to national security, medicine, and climate research. And it also allows us to execute complex simulations and analysis that would be too costly or dangerous or even impossible to conduct in real life. Such things can be carried out by this exascale computers or computing. And now we can see the most interesting thing, that is the world's first exascale supercomputer known as Frontier made its debut in June 2022, and this is located at the Oak Ridge National Laboratory in Tennessee, United States. This Frontier is a remarkable achievement in the computational part. And now we can see what will be the difference between quantum computing and this exascale computing? We have already have in our channel, we have a video on quantum computing. You can check that also. Now we can see what is this exascale computing and the difference between this quantum computing and this thing. And this exascale computing is essentially the classical computing that uses the same coding that runs on our smartphones, laptops. That will be the exascale computing has the same concept as the our laptops PC has. But then builds out with maximum amount of hardware. So this is the same concept behind the our normal laptops, but it extends with the to perform high speed with the maximal amount of storage. So this is about the exascale computing, and this our everyday computers cannot solve a large scientific problems that involves immense amount of data that can be solved before a tight deadline. So this is why we need this supercomputers. And classical computations use binary logic, that is zeros and ones. Same logic is used in this exascale computing also. But when we come to this quantum computing, that is it is completely, that is the fundamental is completely different from this classical computing that the exascale computers use. That is, quantum computing is a fundamentally different style of computation that leverages quantum mechanics and is capable of simulating atomic and subatomic phenomena. And this uses instead of zeros and ones, they use qubits, which may represent an infinite number of superimposed states. So while traditional methods have to carry out a single path best result, this quantum computers use a larger workspace to explore multiple paths simultaneously. And also they differ from this traditional supercomputers or exascale computers in that they solve different types of questions related to fields like chemistry, material science, and physics. So this is the what the quantum computing does. And subscribe to my channel if you feel contented. Like and share my videos with your friends.